Did you know? Imam Muhammad Al-Baqir didn't just teach about fasting, he lived it in a way that transformed hearts. He said, fasting is not just about hunger and thirst, but about guarding your tongue, eyes, and heart from sin. He would spend his days in deep prayer, reflection, and helping those in need. During Ramadan, he would recite the Quran with deep contemplation, urging his followers to seek knowledge, forgive others, and control their anger. He also emphasized charity. Even while fasting, he would personally ensure food reached the poor, reminding us that true fasting is caring for others. And at night, he stood in long prayers seeking Allah's mercy, showing us that Ramadan is a time to nourish the soul, not just the body. So this Ramadan, let's fast not just with our stomachs, but with our actions, thoughts, and hearts, just like Imam Al-Baqir did.